Why does your scanner show the P0353 engine code? What does it mean? P0353 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil 3 primary or secondary circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that the specifically related to cylinder number 3 ignition coil. This code indicates a problem within the ignition coil or its circuit, potentially on the primary PCM side or secondary spark plug side of the circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil. Ignition coil driver circuit issues. Connector issues. Wiring problems. Connector locks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Honda, and Toyota vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.